Welcome to this 5-minute meditation that you can do anytime you're looking for a little mindfulness and awareness, or if you just need a little mental break in your day. You're welcome to join me today in any position that is comfortable for you, seated on a chair, on a cushion, or even lying down. Allow your eyes to softly close and your attention to turn inwards. Invite any tension to dissipate from your jaw, face, shoulders, hands, or anywhere else that it may be present in your body. Invite your mind to let go of worries or obligations, just for a few precious moments. Whenever we feel stressed, tense, or worried, it can be helpful to remember the following 4-part exercise that is always available to us. The first part of the exercise is to slow down. Press the pause button on your thoughts or actions. Let go of the need to rush and slow down. The second part is to take a breath. Inhale deeply from your belly to the ribs, into the chest, and all the way up to the crown of the head. Follow it up with a long, slow exhale from the crown to the chest, ribs, and belly as you let every little bit of air out. The third part of the exercise is to observe. Observe your body, thoughts, and feelings, to acknowledge any physical sensations, emotions, or assumptions, or any story that your mind might be trying to tell you right now. And the fourth part is to proceed, continuing on with what you were doing, with the conscious incorporation of what you have just observed and learned. Together, these 4 parts: slow down, take a breath, observe, and proceed, remind us to STOP. Stop. Stop enabling any narrative that does not serve you to run away with you. Stop allowing any unfounded fears or concerns from taking up any more of your time or energy than they deserve. Stop worrying about things that may never even come to pass. And instead, start anew. With a fresh start, another energizing, deep breath, and a renewed belief that all is well and that all will be well. Slow down, take a breath, observe, and proceed.